Welcome to my channel. Let's do some cooking. Let me show you how to do some chorizos with huevos. Let's start with the different type of chorizos. There are Mexicans, Portuguese, and Spanish. They are similar, but they are not the same. Portuguese chorizo and Mexican and Spanish chorizo are more spiced sport sausages. However, Mexican chorizo is fresh and not fully cooked, and Spanish chorizo is half or fully cured. Portuguese chorizo is a smoked sausage, so it's fully cooked and ready to eat. For this recipe, we're gonna need half a pound of Mexican chorizo, 4 eggs, 3 chiles serranos, a pinch of salt, a couple of tortillas, a large frying pan, and a lot of fun. Let's start with grabbing your chef knife, the chiles, and a pair of gloves. Get those gloves on to avoid painful consequences. Then start cutting the chiles. Roll those chiles to loosen the seeds inside. We're trying to get rid of those seeds. That's where the heat content usually is. The Mexican chorizo is a fresh sausage. It's usually made from pork. The Spanish chorizo is usually seasoned with paprika, pimenton, garlic, and wine, then hung to cure. The Mexican chorizo is made using many more ingredients, including dried peppers like ancho and guajillo chile, vinegar, majoram, thyme, and Mexican oregano. Additionally, the green process makes Spanish chorizos more dry than the Mexican chorizo, but it's mostly sold fresh. This is what we're going to be using today. After removing the seeds, wash them in cold water. Don't use hot water, trust me, especially if you have any respiratory issues. Then start slicing those chiles. Heat your skillet at medium-high heat. Then add the chorizos. Crumble the chorizos apart to help you cook them evenly. It smells delicious, and we haven't even started yet. Keep crumbling the chorizos so they cook evenly. The time you will cook the chorizo for will be around 4 to 6 minutes. If you still have pieces of chorizos that are bigger than others, try to break them apart with a wooden spoon to make them small. This will help them cook evenly. Add the serrano chiles. Continue simmering the chorizos for 2 to 5 minutes. I didn't add the whole ratio of chiles as I plan to serve this to my kids. Stir everything together while it's simmering. It just smells delicious. The whole house smells like a Mexican food plaza. Add a pinch of salt and stir more. When the chorizo is cooked, add the eggs to the frying pan, but do not stir them at first. Wait for about 1 minute. Then proceed to scramble the eggs. Gently stir the eggs to combine them with the chorizo. Keep cooking and stirring until the eggs are done to your liking. I like my eggs for this recipe cooked well done, and that will take between 2 to 3 minutes. This is so easy to make, and it just tastes delicious. Serve with a side of refried beans, avocado slices, and some warm tortillas. If you want to keep it keto friendly, keep the avocados, omit the refried beans, and use keto tortillas. I'm gonna use some grilled cheese quesadillas. If you don't know how to make grilled quesadillas, check my video on how to. It tasted like Mexico. That's what I studied abroad. My kids loved them. Thanks for watching and buen provecho.